concept on cell organelle. Basically, as there is a cell, and we know that cell is the most important and functional unit of living organisms, that means we cannot imagine our life without the development or without the growth of cells. Now, when we have the cell and it has three main important structures, these three structures are the cell membrane, then we have the nucleus, which we actually call the brain of the cell, and the third is the cytoplasm. Now when these three structures are combined to form the cell, and cell has basic functions to perform. Now all these functions are performed by certain organs. Now when they perform these functions, they actually take up the chemical reactions. So we can say that there are certain chemical reactions. In the cell which enable the cell to do various functions, and these chemical reactions are done by certain organs, and these organs are known as the cell organelles. So like we have the cell, and then we have the nucleus almost in the center of the cell. So this is the cell membrane, then this is the nucleus, and the jelly-like substance over here is known as the cytoplasm. Now when these organelles who have certain function to perform, they are suspended in the cytoplasm. They can be somewhere here or in the boundaries of the cell. These organs are known as the cell organelles. So if you have any question in the examination that where are the cell organelles found, so you can clearly say that these organelles are found in the cytoplasm. And also when they are found in the cytoplasm, they can also be referred to as the cytoplasmic bodies or cytoplasmic organelle, because they are found in the cytoplasm. Now there are certain functions they perform, so we should know what are the important functions of all these organs. So the first important function they do is generally the production of proteins, because proteins are required by the cell membrane. So one of these organs help in the production or the manufacturing of the proteins. Also they help in the manufacture of fats and lipids. All these are required by the cell for their growth and development. Also because the cell requires oxygen, so there is a membrane which enables the intake of oxygen and the exhalation of carbon dioxide. So it also helps in the exchange of gases, and sometimes there is exchange of the water, because cell needs water for its growth. So we can see that the third function is that exchange of gases and exchange of, or we can say the intake of the water molecules, because there are so many more functions to perform, and these functions are performed only through chemical reactions which are done by certain organelles which are remains dependent in the which are found in the cytoplasm. Hence they are known as the cell organelles or the cytoplasmic organelles. Now let us write some of these organelles. The most important is the endoplasmic reticulum. Basically it is used for the development of the proteins. It is attached to the another organelle that is known as ribosomes. So we can say that endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the ribosomes. Then we can say we also have plastids. We have vacuoles. All of them have a specific function to perform, and there are separate videos which are offered to you on each of these organelles. You can refer to those videos also. This was the concept on cell organelles or the cytoplasmic organelles.